Good morning to everyone. Now we are going to discuss about the register stack organization. First of all, what is the use of stack here? Stack is used to store the nest address when the system goes to the subroutine program or nested loops here. Okay. And another one is called as a by using stack we can also evaluate the arithmetical logical operations. And what is the main property of the stack is nothing but it is called as a LIFO, last in first out. So whatever you keep the data or the first time, you can retrieve the data at the last time, or the same time if you keep the data last time, you can retrieve the data first time. That is called as a LIFO or FILO. It is also called as a FILO here. It contains the one pointer that is called as a stock pointer. It always shows the last location where you have stored the data here. So as shown in the figure here, so it is called as stack here. In the stack mainly we have taken the 64 location from 0 to 63, and it requires the totally 6 bits to represent the 64 locations here. And it also contains the two flags full comma empty. What is the full comma full? Nothing but if the stack is full, the full flag becomes to the one value, until that one it will be 0. So empty, if the stack is empty, then the empty flag becomes to the one value, until that one it will be 0. So it is called as stock pointer. So I have already stored the three datas A, B, C, and so the stock pointer is at the place of 3. Okay. And how can you send the data in the stack? By using two operations. One is called as push, next one is called as a pop operations here. Okay. So what happens when the push is performed? First, the stock pointer is incremented by one time. After that, the data which is in the DR will be stored in the stock pointer and checks whether the stack is full or not. If it is full, then it makes the full flag as the 1 and empty flag as a 0 here. And how it will be performed is nothing but, suppose if you want to store the nest data, so the stock pointer is incremented by one time, nothing but it goes to the fourth value. After that, what is the data in the DR? Suppose DR 02, the 02 will be stored in the fourth location, nothing but here. Okay. Now the stock pointer jumps to the here fourth location. Okay, and it is called as a push operation. And let us see how the pop operation performed. First, so whenever you are performing pop operation, that is called as when you are retrieving the data from the stock pointer, the stock pointer value will be kept into the DR register. After that, the stock pointer is decremented by one time. For example, if you are retrieving the C data, first, so C is nothing but, suppose it, let us assume that it is a 09. The 09 will be copied into the DR. Now the stock pointer is decremented by one time here. Okay, like that. So the pop operation will be done. When you are popping the data, it checks the another flag that nothing but empty. So if the stock pointer is empty, the empty flag becomes to the one value and full flag becomes to the 0 value. So it is called as a general memory stack organization. In the general memory stack organization, so we are taking the three types of memories here. The memory can be divided into the three parts here. One is called a program memory, next one is called data memory, next one is called a stack memory. Program memory is nothing but the codes of the program will be stored in the program memory. The data will be stored in the data memory. Stack, so if you are saving the any other contents in the stack, the data will be saved in the stack here. What is the difference between the previous one comma this one in the invert? In the previous one, so for every push operation the stack is incremented by one time, but here the stack pointer is always decremented by one time in the push operation. In the push operation, the stack is decremented by one time, and in the pop operation the stack is incremented by one time. Okay, it is in the reverse order. And if you want to see the steps in the push comma pop operation here, so first the stock pointer is decremented by one time. After that, and you are saving the dr value into the stock pointer in the push operation, it is called a push. In the pop operation, the stock pointer will be kept into the dr register. After that, the stock pointer is incremented by one time. Okay, and in the third slide we are going to see the how you can perform the arithmetical operations. So here mainly how you are denoting the arithmetical expression, let us see here. Mainly there are three ways to denote the arithmetical operation expressions. Okay, it is called as a infix rotation, nothing but normal rotation. It is called as a prefix. Next one is called as a postfix. So a plus b we can be represented as the plus ab in the prefix here. A plus ab plus it can be represented in the postfix. Okay, and it is also called as a reverse Polish notation. And so mainly we are performing this operation. Mainly we are performing this is the operation here, and it can be written as, so you are ending the 3 comma 4, so 3 4 multiplied. After that again you are multiplying the 5 6, it is also called as a multiply. After that you are adding these two values. Okay, it is called as a postfix. You are representing this expression by using postfix here. How you are performing the data here? First, push 3, nothing but you can push the value into the stock pointer. Okay, after that push 4. Now the stock pointer is incremented or decremented depending upon the computer architecture by one time, and the 4 will be stored in the next location. After that mul, just you are writing the mul, nothing but these two will be multiplied, the 12 will be stored in the next location, not in the next location, first location. After that you are pushing the 5 value. After that you are pushing the 6 value. Again you are taking the mul operation, so it is called as a multiplied. Finally you are taking the add, so it is a, so that is called as a how you are writing in the invert. Simply I will show here. Push 3, push 4 mul, and similarly next step will be push 5, next to push 6 mul. After that, so finally you are doing the add. The final result will be stored as shown in this form. Okay, thank you.